all men have condoms just in case.
For what? For what?
Just in case, babe.
Hey guys, so before we get started with this video, I just wanted to let y'all know that we're gonna be doing post notification shout outs from now on. Unfortunately, the situation of the video, y'all gonna see it, Jessie didn't get to do a post notification shout out, so that's why I'm doing it right now. So I just want to shout out the TX family. Whoop whoop. Jojo Harris and Prestige P. Thank you guys. You guys were the first 3 to comment. So if you want a shout out like this one, guys, you gotta be the first 3 people to comment on our next video. Alright, let's get straight to the video.
Wagwan guys, and we back with another video, and today we about to prank Whitney. Alright, she been getting me, y'all, and now I got something that's gonna really get her. So I know, man, us men, we know exactly what to press. We know what buttons to press to get y'all going. So y'all females think y'all slick? Trust me, we way worse. Alright, today I'm about to prank Whitney with the rubber. Alright, this boy say extra thin premium. She could be mad. She would be mad as hell, y'all. I'm telling you. Alright, so this is what we're about to do. We're about to go ahead and clean the car out. Alright, so I know how she cleans the car out already. Alright, I'm going to put this down here for this in the armrest, because what she likes to do, she likes to get a plastic bag and she collect all the trash before we even get to the car wash. So she gonna see that. Pretty sure it's gonna get bad, y'all. So let's just see how intense it gets. She might blow it off, she might not, we'll see. But I had just bought this camera from the corner store. I mean, that's the camera. I just bought the rubber from the corner store. So she on her way up. Let me hurry up. She think we just doing a regular vlog, y'all. So let's just get to it.
I need you to put my necklace back on me.
What is that?
It's in here.
Hey, what's been up?
Hey guys, how you doing?
Good. Right.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Let's get it.
Wagwan
massive.
You don't know, say it, girl, Whitney.
Hey, and this your boy Jessie.
And we back today, guys. We doing a vlog today. It's just a chill day, you know. We trying to clean our second vehicle, which we've been neglecting. We supposed to been did that the same day we cleaned the truck when we did our intro, but we didn't have enough time, so we just gonna get it done today.
Knock it out real quick.
We need to. We've been neglecting this car for a while. He only care about his baby, y'all, the truck.
Hey,
okay,
all 3 of y'all my babies.
oh. Like, Jessie has been working a lot. Okay.
Hey,
and
we did go out, what was that, Sunday? Which, hey, let's show them that clip real quick.
And I don't want to go. Sure, because everything is a. Let's go.
Yeah,
that was fun, though.
It was.
It was packed in there. I know y'all like coronavirus. Coronavirus.
I need to give me some coconut water. We out of coconut water. I gotta have me some coconut water. For all of the Jamaican people who don't know, say coconut water wash off on the arts, cleanse it, you know what I mean? Yeah, so girl gotta keep her coconut water on deck. Like, I got that stocked all the time. Jessie can tell you.
Except you don't right now.
Right now, that's the only time though.
We made it to the car wash, y'all, by the way.
Just go ahead and put my shoes in the trunk from now, and I'm gonna just get this paper and stuff out the car, and then we can vacuum. And what's this? Receipt. I can just go ahead and throw all this away. Guess who ain't finna use the no mouth? Us. All this garbage can go. I got a little bit of wipes up in here. Ooh, smell like lemon. Alright. Y'all, we got cleaning to do, okay? A lot of cleaning. Yeah. I don't know why he got his radio in here like he going to work. Gotta have a hand sanitizer. I can just read this. Come here. Hey. Hey.
Yeah.
Turn it off.
You can't cut it off.
Babe, go turn it off. Hello? You don't hear me talking to you?
Give me a second. Hold on. I'm trying to clean this up real quick. You want me to take care of this stuff?
I need to talk to you like now.
Hold on. What?
So I'm only gonna ask you this once, and you better tell me the truth. For the last couple of days you had the car, where did you go?
To work.
To work and where?
Home. What's that? Why?
I'm not asking you again, so you can just go ahead and tell me the truth right now.
Okay. What's the problem, babe?
Which part you go? You have the car for about 3 days now. Where did you go?
I told you, working home, that's it.
Just work out home.
That's it.
Really? And where did you stop on your way from working home?
Just working home, that's it. Nowhere else.
You don't go nowhere else?
Nope. Anywhere I went, you knew about it.
You sure about that?
Mm-hmm.
Jessie. Which way you go? Where did you go?
I told you already, I only went to working home. Why you keep asking me the same question over and over again?
I'm gonna ask you one more question. You unhappy?
I'm happy.
Are you unhappy?
I'm happy. Why you say that?
You sure ain't acting like it. So this is funny to you?
What's funny? What's?
Because I'm asking you a question. Now, this is really going to affect our marriage if you choose to lie to me when I gave you the option to tell me the truth.
Why are you asking me that? You not even saying what you asked me that for. Was I supposed to go somewhere else?
Move.
Was I supposed to go somewhere else?
I just found this in our car. In our car. You had the car for the last 3 days. Why is there a condom in the car? We don't use condoms.
What you mean? It's just there just in case.
Just in case of what?
Just in case.
Just in case I what?
Is there just in case?
Just in case of what? Just in case of what? Eh? Just in case of what?
Hey, listen.
What?
That's yours. That ain't even mine.
Jessie.
That's yours.
Jessie.
What the condom doing in here?
Don't play with me.
What they condom doing in here?
Don't play with me.
What
And you
they-
have the car for the last 3 days.
What is it doing in here? Where was it at? Where was it at?
You had the car for the last 3 days. Now, I gave you a chance to tell me the truth. And you playing around like this is a joke. This is not a joke. This is our marriage. And if you want to keep it, if you want this marriage, you better start telling the truth. Because I found we don't use condoms. So why would you have a condom?
Okay.
Are you trying to hurt me? Like, what is this?
Let me see that.
What is there to see? Like,
What kind is it?
I'm really trying my best to restrain myself right now.
Show yourself from doing what?
What you think?
Alright, okay, I'm gonna be honest with you.
From not choking
Listen,
you out,
listen,
from not
listen.
hitting you,
Listen.
from not fighting you?
Listen, I'm gonna tell you, okay? This rubber right here is mine, just in case. Just in case. You never know what might happen. That's it. It's just in case.
Just in case of what?
Just in case.
Just in case of what? Suppose now you did come in here, so, and you found a condom in here knowing I was the one driving the car. Would you feel good about that? You have one more time for laugh. Laugh if you want to, because this is not a joke.
You so cute. You know that? You cute. Alright, dang, why you grabbing on me like that? You gonna stretch my shirt out.
Do I look like I care about your shirt right now?
All men have condoms just in case.
For what? For what?
Just in case, babe. All men.
For what?
All men have condoms just in case.
Just in case of what?
Anybody relationship got condoms just in case. Everybody. It's an American
Leg
thing.
off of me.
It's an American thing.
Leg off of me.
Babe, it's an American thing.
Leg off of me, Jessie.
Alright. You gotta relax, okay? Okay. But just in case, dang. What you mad for? Oh, you really crying? Babe. Babe. Alright, it's a prank. Babe, look. It's a prank. It's a prank, dang. It's a prank. What you crying for?
Just leave me alone, Jessie.
It's supposed to be, it's just a prank. It was hurt, babe. She vexed, y'all. You vexed, babe.
Jessie, leave me alone.
Okay, I'm sorry, dang. It's just a prank. Alright, y'all. She hurt, y'all. She not happy with this prank. Y'all see that? Y'all see how females are? First they happy, then they sweet, then they sad, then they aggressive, then sad again. I'm sorry, babe. I apologize.
Don't
okay?
do that.
Alright, dang, it's a freaking prank. I'm just joking. You pranked me with worse stuff. You talk about my hair. Just, you know that's a sensitive subject. Alright.
Whatever.
Tell them that you okay so they won't think that I'm an evil person.
I'm good.
Alright, tell them that.
I just said I'm good.
Alright, y'all, if you haven't already, hit that share button, like, subscribe. If you haven't already, hit the notification bell. You gonna tell them see you later?
See y'all later.
She'll be alright, y'all. I know what to do to fix her. Until next time.